This is a shell script program to perform arithmetic operation on two numbers depending upon the operator that you choose. Here we'll be using switch case to select the operator. We shall start now. First you have to give the program name. For that VIM, let it be program 4 prg4.sh. Now press I to insert the code. T put clear to clear the output screen. Echo. So here I am taking two variables, that is A and B. So I am printing enter value for A and B. I have to read that using read. Enter, echo, give a line space, echo. Now you have to give the option enter plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, and division. Again a line space, now print, choose any one, so there enter is not required. Now you have to read that operator. I am keeping that operator in CH variable. So now I am using switch case. For that you have to start with case. So my value of the operator is in CH variable. I can read that, I can use that using $CH in. So you have to use this particular format, that is case, then variable in. You have to start with the first one, that is in a single quotes. So there must be no space between this, echo. So we are performing addition. Now echo, you have to print. So $A plus $B is equal to expression. In the expression I am going to perform the calculation. So for that you have to start with a single quote, EXPR $A plus $B. Remember, there must be a space between the operator. whenever you're performing any calculation, since it is case sensitive. So next we shall move with the second choice, that is subtraction. So here you can observe we didn't close it. We have to close it, the double quotes. We have to close this double quotes. And start with the next option, that is subtraction. Echo subtraction echo. So that is $A minus $B. That is equal to, you have to close the double brackets, then start with the expression EXPR $A minus $B, close with the quotes. So it is not a single quote, it is a tilde symbol which is available below the escape key. So this is a tilde symbol which is present below the escape key. So next thing that you have got is multiplication. Echo multiplication. Now calculation, that is $A into $B is equal to, close the double quotes, then expression EXPR A into $B. Then division. Echo division. $A divides $B is equal to EXPR, that is expression $A divides $B. So you have to close it by double quotes. So you have to end the switch case using ESAC, ESAC. Enter, then echo a single line space. And one more thing, here multiplication you can't directly use just a multiplication symbol. That's why I am telling you in the last to remember this thing. Along with this multiplication, you have to use this slash symbol. Otherwise, you won't get this multiplication. Now, we'll go back. Escape. Colon WQ. Enter. Now, we'll see the output. For that, sh program name dot sh. Now, we'll give the values 2 and 8. I'll be choosing multiplication. So now you can see 2 into 8 is 16. Thank you.